dolls, welcome back to Lisanna Does Things, where I cover all things glam and fabulous, from DIYs to skincare routines and everything else. So if you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button and join the doll collection, and we'll be happy to have you. Today we're going to talk about Vida hair products, and this is something that really has changed my hair game. Like I'm telling you, like my curls have never been any better. This is day 3 of me wearing out my curls, and I don't do anything special like putting it in a bonnet at night. I literally just put it in a bun and I sleep, and I'm like the messiest sleeper ever. I'll like go to sleep like on my side and I'll wake up like a spaghetti. Like I'm all over the place at night. These Vida hair growth products are so good. My friend had them. She had a little bit of hair thinning on the top of her scalp, and when I noticed that she had thicker, fuller hair, I asked her, yo, what are you using? Like it's so different. She's like, oh, I'm using these products and they're so good. I'm like, get out. So I bought them. Well, I didn't buy them, but I was gonna buy them. My hubby actually gave it to me for my Christmas present, but I didn't really start using it until January or February. Been so good. I can show you a before and after. Like you'll be amazed at how different my hair is. Y'all know I tried Monat before, and I have a video right here if you guys want to check it out after this one. Monat just didn't really do what I thought it was gonna do. Those products are super expensive and they worked for other people. I just didn't see anything. Like I didn't see anything of what I was looking for. I had a lot of hair loss. Like I would brush my hair in the shower, hair loss, untangle it, get out the shower, more hair loss, style my hair, and then you can see like the strands in my hands, and I'm like, yo, like there has to be something different. But I guarantee you Vida is it. Like that was it. That's the video. You need to buy it. That's it. But no, really, like I really love it. Like if I were to tell you this is how much hair loss I had when I washed my hair 3 days ago, like y'all would be like, there's no way. And it was a little bit tangly, you know. I had my hair curly and I let it out and I didn't really take care of it the last couple days, but for me to lose this much hair, like that is crazy. I started using it a couple months ago and it's been nothing but good things. So I guess that you could say it's been 5 or 6 months or something if my math is right. My hubby got me the full 5-piece set. Brings the shampoo and the conditioner, brings the hair mask, the leave-in, and the serum mist. I'll tell you what each product brings and how to use it based off what's on the label, but they really are natural products. Like you can literally read the ingredients and know. It's not like one of those products where they're like vegan and or they say they're vegan and then you're trying to read it and it's like a chemical name. Like I don't know what's up with that. I've never understood it, but hey. So let's start off with the shampoo. The shampoo, you put it in your hair for 5 minutes and then you rinse. What I love about it is that it smells like molasses. It's like a honey type of smell. It's really good. This is what the color is on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like very molasses brown and it has that consistency too. I'm not gonna take it out because I don't want to get my hands all, you know, dirty with the shampoo. The ingredients are shiitake, molasses, thyme, yarrow, watercress, yucca, and it promotes hair growth. I love using it because it doesn't bubble up. Like you don't get that lather. Like to me, like when your hair lathers, I feel like it's stripping all the oils away from your hair. Look at my hair. I have curly hair. We need all the oils. I can't risk losing it. So this is like so good. I work it into my scalp first and then I put it on the rest of my hair, and I still have like about this much left since I've been using it. And you guys know I have so much hair. It's so long and it's working so good. It does give me a little bit of a lather, but I'm okay with what it gives me. But it doesn't lather like other shampoos where you get like all the big soap suds and all that. So this is so good and it smells amazing. It smells like molasses. I'm just happy that I can say like the name of each product. Like you don't really get to see products like that. The next one is the conditioner. So after you've shampooed your hair, you want to go ahead and use your conditioner. This one I need to buy a refill because I'm already out. So for this one it says to apply and massage in scalp, leave on as desired, and then rinse. When I go in the shower, I like to shampoo my hair first, then put on my conditioner, and then wash the rest of my body because that takes time. And then you shave, and then you do like your girly stuff. I leave this on right up until I leave the shower. I get dried off, and then I put on my lotion and everything, and then I go back and I detangle my hair and rinse it out. So this is what the conditioner that I leave on for really long, probably like 20-30 minutes. And it has, I don't even know how to, I know how to say these, but it's because my brain is like, say, read it in Spanish, and then my brain's like, no, read it in English, so my vowels get mixed up. But it's calendula, oat, straw, fenugreek, coconut, molasses, and this promotes hair growth. I love the conditioner. It smells like molasses, but it also has a coconut smell to it. This is like super natural. Maybe I can get some in the cap so you guys can see. Maybe you can see it this way. Can you see it? I hope so. It's a nice creamy conditioner and my hair just sucks it all up. It's so good. I put some in my scalp and then I put the rest on my hair, including my ends. I don't really shampoo my ends because I don't want it to dry it out more than it really is. When I rinse my hair, the shampoo runs through the end, so that counts as its shampoo. After you're done with that, you want to put in your leave-in tonic. And you want to apply this to your scalp, massage, and then style your hair as usual. So right after you rinse off that conditioner, you just want to squeeze this into your scalp. I'm already done with this product. It's liquid, but there's nothing in the container. This smells very, I would say like oats, like a refreshing oat. This has ginkgo roots, ragoon roots, oat straw, beringraj roots, and it promotes hair growth. I used to use this every day, whether my hair was straight or curly. It works so good. It's very liquidy, so I didn't use too much of it when my hair was straight because, you know, I have curly hair, so it's just gonna like get curly at the roots. So I just used a little bit maybe every other day, but when my hair was curly, every day, without a doubt. The serum mist is kind of the same thing. You want to spray on your scalp and your hair, then style your hair as normal. The bottle is still pretty full. Like the mist goes a long way. The leave-in, I use that up so quick. The serum mist is really good because you can use it in your hair and then use it on your scalp, both ways. And whenever I styled my hair, like whenever I would straighten it afterwards, you didn't get like too much product affecting, you know, the way you straighten your hair. Like it was amazing. So I would definitely use this. This has aloe vera, basil, nettle, yarrow, Moroccan seeds, amla, horsetail, and it promotes hair growth. But the serum mist is really good. It honestly lasts me a long time. I'm like right here. I'm halfway through. I don't know. It smells natural. It smells like not minty, but like that type of minty fresh. And the mask I haven't really used too much because I'm just really bad at planning what days I'm gonna wash my hair. You know, hair washing is a process, and you have to use this a couple hours before. So the directions say apply to dry hair a few hours before you shampoo. So you kind of have to plan ahead to know, you know, okay, this day I'm going to wash my hair, but let me put this on overnight, or let me put this on in the morning so I can wash my hair at night. This has fenugreek, oat straw, horsetail roots, bamboo, gotu kola, and hops, and it promotes hair growth. I really haven't used any of it. It's really nice. It's like kind of like whipped, like a whipped body butter. It smells so good. It smells like nice and oaty and creamy. It smells natural, honestly. The time that I have used it, it makes the whole hair washing process a bit better because your hair really does feel it. I just read on their website that their products only have a shelf life of 4 months because they're all natural, so I really have to get on it and start using it a little bit more. So hopefully this bottle will be done in a month or so, since it's been way over 4 months since I got the products. They're amazing. I love it. And I also got it for my mom. I can't remember if I got it for her for Mother's Day or her birthday. I think it was her birthday. She said that they were amazing. So she was diagnosed with alopecia, so she was losing a little bit of hair in the front of her scalp right there, and she says that she has no hair loss. Obviously, because she has alopecia, I haven't noticed new hair growth, but the hair that was falling off was able to stay on a little bit longer, and she loves it. She says her hair has never been healthier. To be honest, I thought I would have tried more products that I would have struggled with, you know, to kind of be like, oh my god, like this is another product that won't work for me or my hair, but it's so amazing. Let me tell you, to say that when I straighten my hair and I curl it with the curling iron, before I started using these products, my hair I would have to put on so much hairspray because in a way my hair was dead. Like I feel like it couldn't like really curl. It was just kind of dead. I would curl it and it was kind of like fall flat after a couple hours. After I've been using these products, I've also limited the amount of heat that I've been using on my hair, and it is fabulous. The other day I curled my hair with a curling iron the other day for the first time, and after just leaving my hair on just for a couple seconds, not even 30 seconds, and I took it down, the curl stayed. Usually I have to like pin it up right away and hairspray it down so it could take that shape, but my hair stayed, and I was like, oh, like this is weird, like I wonder what happened. Like it's amazing. I really wish it would have helped with the frizz. I'm kind of surprised it hasn't, but maybe that's probably me and the way I style my hair, but I wish it would have helped a little bit more with frizz. There's like a couple areas right here, like kind of in the middle of my hair, where my hair just doesn't really take a curl shape. Maybe I have to keep experimenting. Maybe I have to do more like really deep conditioning masks to get it to where I want it to be. And then the other thing is that I get this incredible shine from my hair, whether it's curly or straight. My hair is so shiny and glossy. It looks amazing. Like, I got in so many compliments, and it's just great. I love this product. Like, and going back to what I said before about my hair loss, like, I lost so much hair. Like, I'm gonna show you some videos, but
alright, you guys, so I just finished untangling my hair, and this is how much I lost just untangling it. Doesn't look like a lot, but it is a ton. It's spread all over the sink, just so you get a better picture. So I've used the Vida products. This is like my 8th or 7th wash right now. This is how much I lost in the shower, which is pretty good, but then this is how much I lost detangling my hair. This week I had my hair out curly. I took it out the wash, put some curling products in there, a little bit of mousse, and diffused it, and I kind of just left it, and then it was in a bun for like 3 days, and there was a lot of untangling to do, so there's a lot of hair loss.
I'm not sure what happened to all of my other videos that I had throughout this Vida hair process, but I only have these 2 videos. But from you can tell in the last clip, I lost so much hair and my hair looks so much healthier now. It's been so easier to detangle and style my hair, so I'm hoping that this video helps, but I'm so sorry I can't find the other clips from before.
so like I said earlier, my hair would shed so much. I used to lose so much hair. Like, I'm not even joking. My process was I would wash my hair in the shower. When I had the deep conditioner on, I would detangle it because it'd be so much easier. Wrap my hair in the towel after I got out and washed it. Do my thing, and then go back and try to style it. And even when I go back and try and style it, I'm running the comb through my hair, more hair would come out. It was just so sad. Another thing is that my hair is so much easier to detangle just using those products. It's crazy. Oh, and also my ends. Before I started using the heat again, there was a really long time where I just curled my hair and I just put it into 2 French braids. I wouldn't touch it for a couple days, but yo, my ends look so healthy. It's only because I used the hair straightener that my ends started to split, but they look so good and healthy. And my hair has gotten longer, obviously. This is like to promote hair growth, but my hair has gotten so much longer by a couple inches, where it actually touches like the top of my butt, where I used to like kind of like go past my hips. Besides the conditioner, which like obviously like I've already like killed this bottle, and the leave-in tonic, everything else is like pretty good. This is the only hair product that I've been using for a long time, and not only did like my hair just feel fluffier, I felt like it was healthier. I didn't see the results yet, obviously not in those first 3 to 5 washes, but my hair, like the way my hair felt so good. So I was like, okay, this is different. Like, I'm gonna just keep going through the motion. I felt like I had to wait to do this review because your hair is so delicate. You know, you style it, you comb it, you put it up in a bun, you like pull it this way, that way, add heat to it, add water to it. It goes through all these changes, and you put a hat on. You know what I mean? So your hair needs time to really understand the product and really absorb it in order for it to work. Not that I'm like a hairstylist or anything, but you know, everybody knows their own hair. And I know mine's, and mine's needs time to kind of get in the flow of things. Love this to help with the frizz, but you know, the hair loss thing, like, you know, just looking at those videos, I'm like, wow, like that's a lot of hair. Might not be a lot to you guys because you might say, oh, well, she has really long hair, but like, no, like I have really long hair and look at this. Like, this is how much I lost in the shower and out of the shower. If you're interested in buying it for hair loss, hair growth, getting your hair thicker, the website's called vidahairgrowth.com. If you watched any of my other videos about, you know, the toxic ingredients that's in our skincare and hair products, you would know that everything gets absorbed into our scalp and our skin, and it does so much damage to us. Watch it when I'm done with this video. I promise you, you will not regret it. I want to say that the 5-piece kit used to cost $125. Now the price went up, I think, to $135. But it's so worth it. Like, just get the whole bundle. Like, it only makes sense. You know, why would you go halfway for your hair? I think I'm just gonna take this product for life. You know what I mean? Like, I don't think I'm ever gonna use anything else because this is what's working for me, and I'm so happy because I'm seeing the results. I can only imagine what's gonna happen once I keep using this product, and even on the new hair growth that I have, like, it's gonna look so amazing. My scalp has even looked fuller. Granted, my hair is curly, so it takes up a lot more space. Yo, take a look. Like, my hair is just so much fuller. I used to run my fingers through my hair and it was, you can just see like the space and the thinning, and I was just like, what is going on? But I kid you not, like this is so much better. Even Cardi B uses Vida Hair Growth, and she's on their website talking about it. So I don't know, let me know in the comment section, is this something you've heard of before? Have you tried it? Are you going to try it? I want to know. Do you have any other questions that you want to know about my experience? Let me know in the comment section. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.